my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I have a product that is going to be a game changer for anybody who takes medication, whether that be prescription or just supplements. This is a 1-month supply pill organizer, which is great if you have a medication that you have to take on the daily and you tend to be forgetful, like me, whether or not I've taken it that day. It's super easy to just open up your compartments, see if the pills are in the box for that allotted day, and if they are, then you have to take it, and if they aren't, then you've taken your pills. Congratulations. I love that the compartments are removable, so say you're going away for the week, you can just take one for that week and leave the rest at home. And as for storage space, so one of these little squares here are going to fit, per the brand, either 8 fish oil capsules, 9 multivitamin capsules, or 15 regular sized vegetable capsules. So that is so very cool that it can hold so much medication. It's also going to be light proof, so say you have any kind of medication that is light sensitive where it would go bad in the light, this is going to ensure that your products stay nice and fresh and you do not have to worry about that. This product really is a game changer when it comes to medications. I highly recommend that you go and get yourself one. AUVON made an incredible product here, and that is my point of view.